Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip Max, and today I'm going to show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration and select it. And here find the vibration intensity, which will be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it, and here we have two levels of vibration. We have enhanced and standard. I don't know if you can hear the difference. There's not much difference, but one is a bit longer and stronger, and the other one is shorter and a bit lighter. And select the one you like, and then you can press the lower button a few times to go back. Not lower button, upper button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.